If you live in a state that requires a front license plate, today we're going to show you how to install one on your brand new 2018 Mustang without drilling holes in the bumper. This is the STO and SHO bracket that will allow you to mount the license plate underneath of your front bumper by drilling one simple hole in your valance. The best part about it is removable. You can simply pull this pin when it's installed in the vehicle, take the plate off, you're at a car show, race, whatever, and just throw the plate in the trunk. You have to be legal for the ride home. Slide that in, put the plate back on. This STO and SHO bracket shown here will fit your non-performance pack 2018 Mustang, but a performance pack version is also available here at cjponyparts.com. For this installation, they had a Phillips head screwdriver, T15 Torx bit, 1/4 inch ratchet, 7mm socket, and a 10mm socket. The first step of the installation is going to remove the center screw here from the factory lower splash pad. Now we have the car up in the air just so you can see what we're doing. This whole installation can actually be done on the ground. With the factory screw removed, we're ready to install our STO and SHO bracket. Now you want to make sure when you do this, the ring is facing the driver's side. The smaller hole in the front, that's where we're actually going to put the hardware for the screw we just removed. What we'll do is put the screw in from the bottom, take the provided spacer, and put that on top. And we can screw it into the valance. Now get this snug, and then you want to make sure that you have it straight. This part you can use a drill, it'll be easier if you have it, but all you gotta do, this is basically a self-tapping screw. Put that in the larger hole back here, and just thread it in. Now using the supplied hardware, you screw your plate onto the bracket. Just line it up, pull the pin, locks in place, and your installation's finished. If your state requires a front plate, the STO and SHO is definitely the way to do it on a 2018 Mustang. It simply clips in place. When you go to the racetrack or a car show, simply pull it and put it aside. It'll look a lot better. When time to go home, simply line it up, slide it back in, locks in place to keep you legal.